My younger brother. I am blessed with my brother who is younger to me. I love him so much. He is 15 years old, yet very naughty. His name is Jude. I still remember the day he was born, so small, so sweet, just like a bundle of soft cotton. He used to cry all the time, and sometimes I could not even sleep. After some time, he started smiling at me and touching me. I liked him doing that. Then, when he became a little more old, he started playing with me. First I liked playing with him, but then when he started taking away all my toys, I used to get angry. I still remember how we used to fight over small toys, pulling each other, hitting, and then snatching and running away. When we grew up a little more, the little fights gradually turned to bullying each other and pulling each other's legs. Given a chance, it was fun to pull each other's legs. Going to school and back was real fun with all the pranks that we used to play around with the people we met and with friends together. It was the best of times. Homework completion and project works were a headache, and we used to work together, so that it would be easier and lot more creative. When being caught on some act by our parents, we would join hands together to get out, even though till then we might have been like rivals. Looking back, all those were fun. Time has changed. We have been into more responsible and busy lives. Pulling legs and bullying each other does not happen as frequent it was. He is held up with his assignments and projects, and I, with my work. Yet we find time to catch up once in a while and brush up our old memories. The time spent together with him is the best part in my life. No matter what, my brother is certainly a gift sent from God to me, and I treasure this gift more than any other valuable gift. He is sweet, cute, naughty, irritating, short-tempered, yet he is my little brother who would stand with me, even when the entire world would be against me. I love you, bro.
Thank you for watching.